Okay, here we go again. I think this is video number 18 for my Math 105. We've got to get to our piece of paper. We need our pencil, and we are ready to go. Okay, so what the topic is the point slope of the line, point slope of the line, point slope of the line continued. Of the line continued. Okay, so problem number 2. Give an equation of a line that passes through passes through 4, -6 and -1, 2. Okay, so right away, the first thing you should do on your scrap paper is right away write down the formula y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. As soon as you see given equation of a line, you know to do this. Okay, now what do we need? What do we have over here? What do they give us in the given? What did they give us? They gave us an x1 and a y1. But what do we, as we said last time, we need 3 ingredients. We need an x1, we need a y1, and we need an m. We have an x1 and a y1, but we don't have an m. So what do we do? What do we do? Okay, what we have to do is we need to find an m. This is what we do. M is we have to remember the formula for slope. y2 minus y1 is equal to x2 minus x1, and we have an x1 and y1, and we also have an x2 and a y2. So we can find the slope. We're able to find the slope using this formula. So y2 is 2. Minus is part of the formula. y1 is -6. Okay. Underline that. x2 is -1. Minus is part of the formula. And x1 is 4. So what do we have? We have 2 minus 6, which is 2 plus 6, which is 8. -1 minus 4, which is -5. So m is equal to -8 over 5. All right, now we have our 3 ingredients. We have our x1 right here. We have our y1 right here. And we have our slope right over here. And now with these 3 ingredients, we can take the 3 ingredients and come over here and put them into our point slope of the line. 3 ingredients, point slope of the line, go right in here. Y minus y1 is -6, so I put a -6 over here. The slope is -8/5, so I put a -8/5 right over here. X minus x1 is right over here, is 4. So now, what do we have? Let's continue. We have y plus 6 equals -8/5 times x, which is -8/5 times x, and -8/5 times -4 is -8 times -4 is plus 32 over 5. Okay, continue. We have -6 on this side and -6 on this side. That'll get us y equals -8/5, and now we got to figure this out. We have a fraction headache. Okay, so we have a fraction headache. We have to now do this 32/5. This is scrap paper. 32/5 minus 6 over 1. So how do we do that? We have to put them both in fifths. They need a common denominator. So 32/5 is already 32/5. But how do I get 1 to become 5? I have to, in order to get to 1 to become 5, I have to multiply times 5. 1 times 5 is 5. I have to do the 6 times 5 is 30. That's how I convert 6 over 1 into 30 over 5. Now, 32 minus 30 is equal to 2/5. I come back over here, and we've got 32/5 minus 6. 32/5 minus 6 is equal to 2/5. I put the plus 2/5 right over here. This is supposed to be an x. Sorry about that. X. So this is a 2. This is supposed to be plus 2/5, and the problem is over. Answer. Here is the answer. Okay, so that takes care of a very long problem, and it took up basically the whole sheet. But there is the answer to our problem. So there's still more stuff about point slope of the line. We still need another video to explain a little bit more about point slope of the line. But that's it for this one. We can end this video here. Here we go.